Today we will learn how to crochet waist stitch. This stitch is very fast for making blankets and scarf. So first we will make a slip knot. Now insert your hook and work chain 33. You can increase the chains multiplied by 3 according to the width of your project. So I am making a small sample. I'll work on chain 33. This is 33 chain, and now on the 4th chain from our hook we will work 2 double crochets. So 1 2 3 and 4th. Here we will work 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2 and chain 1. Now again into the same chain work 1 double crochet, and now skip 2 chains, 1 2 into the 3rd opening. Again insert your hook, work 1 double crochet, chain 1 into the same chain, again 1 double crochet. This 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet will make a V. Again skip 2 chains into the 3rd opening, insert your hook, 1 double crochet, chain 1, insert your hook, same gap, 1 double crochet. Like this complete the row. So now in the end we have 2 chains. So in the very last, you can say very first chain, we will work here 1 double crochet to make the edge straight. After 1 double crochet, chain 3. So this is our first row with V stitches. Now turn your work. So where we did our 1 double crochet, we will work 1 double crochet in this gap. Now where we did our V, right here we'll work the same, this we will work the same pattern. Yarn over, insert your hook, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, again into the same gap, 1 double crochet. Next V, insert your hook, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Oh, factory knot. So like this complete our row. And now let's do our last stitch into this gap. And now let's do our last double crochet into this gap. Yeah, so right here we will not finish our 1 double crochet, but when we have 2 stitches on our hook we will change the color. So I'm using white color, and let's pull the loop of white color from these 2 loops, and now chain 3, 1 2 and 3. Turn your work. Now again we will do the same method. We'll work into these V's. So yarn over, 1 double crochet, chain 1, same gap, 1 double crochet, complete the row. Now again for our row 4, chain 3, turn your work, repeat the pattern. Now after row 4, again we will not finish our last double crochet but change the color. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work and work again the same pattern till your desirable length of the project. So our 2 rows of 2 colors are complete, and this is the tutorial of V-stitch. And if you want to learn more tutorials of more pattern, follow us for more.